Hi, this is Vinod Kumar. I'm working in MATLAB program in Spyro Solutions. See this high voltage gain DC to DC converter, integrating coupled inductor and diode capacitor technique. In this case, high voltage gain, we are using DC to DC converter, then only we can get the high voltage gain. So here the proposed system having the diode and capacitor is the techniques we are using to reduce the losses. Is the technique of the proposed system. The proposed system having the full wave bridge rectifier and another one voltage multiplier. Is the proposed system full bridge rectifier using another one voltage multiplier. What is the meaning of the voltage multiplexer means? It gives the double amount of the voltage, that is the DC to DC converter operating voltage multiplexer. The previous system having the controls, the existing system having the drawbacks. Control scheme is very complicated. Cost is high for more than of the one input, and hard switching we are using losses are very high. Because the hard switching we cannot reduce the switching losses. So that's why the proposed system and existing system compared with this one, single switch only using proposed system, but existing system having the 4 switches because the hard switching, that is the hard switch. The proposed system by bridge rectifier is not required, but existing system having the bridge rectifier is used. The proposed system very high amount of efficiency getting, but existing system cannot get the high amount of energy. The transformer is used to proposed system, but existing system cannot use the transformer. The power loss is very low. Proposed system, the existing power loss very high. The higher reliability and durability, and is having the proposed system. The voltage multiplier cells are not used. So this is our proposed system. So this series one, we are using DC supply. Is the operation of the DC to DC converter. Finally, we are getting the higher amount of the energy. The advantage of the proposed system using a one power switch, higher efficiency, reduce conduction losses. The leakage inductance energy, coupled inductor can be recycled. The application of the proposed system, DC to DC motor applications, electromagnetic lifts, X-ray, solar plants. These are the proposed system applications. Finally, the software requirement having the MATLAB 7.14.